First, let's install the ejection port cover. This is a simple job, but always go slow and be patient, thinking about what you're doing. This tiny E-clip secures the rod that holds the ejection port cover and spring to the upper receiver. It's hard to hold and easy to lose. The best way to hold the clip for installation is with needle nose pliers. Position the E-clip over the groove in the retaining pin and tap it into place with a hammer. It seems easy if you do it right the first time. Start by oiling the ejection port cover pin. Now with the upper on its side, start the smooth end of the pin through the right receiver boss and into the right side of the cover. Now lay the spring into position with the long end on the right side pointed up. Holding the left side of the spring, rotate the right side of the spring down and insert the pin all the way through the spring. Now test the cover for proper function.